Okay, this is Michaela. Alright, so yeah, it indeed turned out very grainy and also I think it's very low res. So we'll take a look at both of those things. Also, some of your animation is still in stepped mode, so let's look at all of those issues in the My file. So if I go into settings here, it says it's 960 by 540, but what can happen is if you have it in here and under options, test resolution, it should be set for the render settings because that will override your render settings and make it smaller. So I suspect that you had it on at a lower number test resolution. Um, so there's obviously still issues with the graininess here, but overall it's a much higher resolution image. Do I have the right camera selected? I think I don't. Just going to stop that. Um, Camera 1, camera 2. I just think I rendered the camera 1. Okay. Try that again. And then for the graininess, it's the quality settings. If we look in the module here, um, under module 14, I believe, rendering with Arnold. I can't remember which exact page it's on. Is it not this page? Arnold Light sampling, page 7. So if you look at page 7, watch this video and look at these. This is a more subtle example, but look at the graininess, for example, here, and then compare it with the graininess there, where it looks much cleaner. So by adjusting those sampling settings, and this goes into a lot of detail on that, but basically, let's look at a grainy area like this area of the couch, and I'll adjust my settings under Arnold. The easiest thing to do is just adjust camera A, but it also takes the longest, so it's better to kind of try to do it these, but just for a very quick demonstration here, I'll put that up to 6, which is kind of high. It's going to make your render pretty slow, but I'll just keep this image to compare it, and let's just render that region, so that's quick. And it's not perfect yet, but oops, did I hit it twice? Okay, let's compare that. You see how much less grainy it is? So if I went even, so let's keep that. If I went even higher, and this is getting into like sort of the stupidly high zone, but just to see the difference. You can tell even just rendering this region takes longer. So this was 3, this is 6. Wait, no, I'm sorry. This is 3, this is 6, that's 8. Um, but you might do better by leaving that where it is, like at 3, and just trying to up the diffuse maybe. Like, let's try this at 5. Let's see how that looks. Not great. It might not be the diffuse because that didn't seem to do anything. So, yeah, you can try some of these different runs. I would have thought it was the diffuse. There's also, I think there's some settings in the lights you can play with too. Um, if I remember correctly, this was at 3. Uh, let's go under lights here. Oh, the whole thing's lit with 2 area lights. Wow, 10,000, okay. Okay, so maybe this one, and then isn't there some settings in here? Yeah, this could try increasing that. I don't know if that makes a difference. Nope. Yeah, we'll skip that. So just, I think that just affects the visibility actually. Yeah, just stick to here and try playing with those. And again, the lazy version is just increase the camera AA, but it will slow down your render a lot.